Hi, I'm recording this video to show you how not to log on and how to log on to Teams. The last video I posted was to show you how to log on to Teams. This one is to actually how to join a meeting. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. Because a lot of people would join meetings, and in the process of trying to join the meeting, it would send them to a different meeting, or they would click the wrong one and it was creating a bunch of confusion. So I'm going to show you how to join a meeting as a student and what it's supposed to look like. So as a student, I'm logged on as a student right now. Sorry. As a student, you only have two of these little squares. One of them is going to be your homeroom class. The other one is going to be the core enrichment class. You're going to spend most of your time in this class. Whenever you are in a meeting, you do not start a meeting on your own. You do not do anything. All you have to do is just, once it's started, click join. And it'll tell you how many people are in the meeting, and we have muted your mic. If the meeting has not started yet, if there is no purple camera, do not click it. It should say that the meeting was started by Mr. Cortez, or if you click here, one of these should be me. This one's me, so just join the meeting that's started by the teacher. Do not start a meeting. Like, for example, if I were to come here and click on one of these meetings, it gives you the option to join, but this meeting has not started yet, so do not join that meeting. Just click on the purple camera and click join where it's supposed to be. As you get used to the schedule, it's going to make more sense. So hopefully this is helpful. The biggest part is, do not join a meeting that has not started yet. Do not try to jump in early, and hopefully we should not have any problems. Remember your schedule. If it is Monday and Wednesday, you are going to be with me if you're in my homeroom, and Ms. Garrett if you're in her homeroom, and vice versa. So hopefully this is helpful. All you have to do is press join on a meeting that is already in progress. Do not make up your own meeting.